Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. Today we are going to start our third unit, that is the plant world. What is plant world means? We are going to talk about the plants, their growth. And the first topic is parts of a plant. So dear students, a plant has four main parts. First, roots, stem, third, leaf, and fourth one, flower. Dear students, look at your book, page number 22. There are four main parts of a plant. Root. In this diagram you can see that this is root. It is present underground and it stands the plant or holds the plant in the ground firmly. Next is stem. This is stem which also holds the other parts of plant, that is leaf and flower. Leaf. Student, this is leaf. It is present in green color and it is a main part of food making process, that is photosynthesis, which play a main role in the food making process, that is photosynthesis. And the last one is flower. It is the reproductive part. All you know that we love flower. All the students or all the human beings love flower with different colors, and this is reproductive part of a plant. Dear students, now I am going to discuss these parts of plant in detail. First is the root. It absorbs water and minerals from the ground. It absorbs water and minerals mean food from the ground. They also help the plant to stand in the ground. Students, the second part is stem. It serves several functions. It transports this part of water to the upper parts of the plant. Is it clear? It transports water and minerals to the upper parts of plants. It also supports leaves and flowers to stand on the plant. Students, some stems have spikes or hairs that protect the plant from insects. Okay. For example, cactus. Students, the third part of a plant is leaf. You can see that here are beautiful leaves present in green color. They are very important. They are where food is produced. They are the place where food is produced in a process called photosynthesis. The system of producing food is called photosynthesis. Leaf contain green pigment, that is chlorophyll. This leaf contain a green color chemical or pigment, that is chlorophyll, which is present inside the leaf and help in the food making process of a plant. Student, the plants take sunlight energy from the sun, and this chlorophyll that is present in the leaf convert this energy into the food energy. That is combined with water, carbon dioxide, food is produced. Okay, this sunlight energy when combined with the other chlorophyll parts of a plant, then it is converted into carbon dioxide and water. The last is flower. You know that students, flowers produce seeds which from new plants grow. Okay, these flowers produce seed that is present in the center of the flower that grows new plant. Students, you know that not all the plants have flowers. Flowers have several important parts. Okay, not all the plants have flowers. So this is the question about this topic. And question, what part does the leaf play in the growth of a plant? What part does the leaf play in the growth of plant? Answer, the role of leaf is to produce food in the process of photosynthesis. Right? Dear students, the next topic is plant processes, means different types of processes that is present in the plant, that is plant processes, and enable plant to live, grow and reproduce. First is photosynthesis, that is the food making process of a plant that we have learned in this previous page. Transpiration, transportation, and fourth is reproduction. Transpiration. It is a process of water evaporation process from the plant. Students, this process takes place in the leaves. Where? Leaves. It is a process that involves water evaporate, means water moves out from the plant. And this process is held by tiny holes called stomata. In this picture you can see that open stomata. This is stomata. It is an open hole from where water moves in the environment. These stomata are present at the lower side of the leaf, on the underside of the leaf, and open during photosynthesis. Means this stomata is open during photosynthesis. Students, the advantage of this transpiration process is to keep the plant cool and replacing water from the plant. So keeps plant cool, evaporates need to be replaced. The reason why the next process transpiration is important. Dear students, the next process is transportation. It means the movement of food through holes. The movement of food through different parts of a plant from one place to another place. So, food is water, minerals and glucose. Food is water, minerals and glucose. Two types of tubes are taking this type of transportation. First is xylem and second is phloem. What is xylem and phloem? Xylem are strong thick tubes. Xylem are strong thick tubes that carry water and minerals, right? Xylem carry water and minerals, and this is a thick tube. But phloem are thinner than xylem. Phloem are thinner and it transferred glucose to the other parts of plant. Students, book reading questions. How many main parts of a plant? There are question number 1, 4 parts: root, stem, leaf, flower. Second question, what is function of root? The root absorb water and minerals from the ground. The answer is from here then here. Third question, what is photosynthesis? Answer, the system of producing food is called photosynthesis. Fourth question, which part of plant produce seeds? Flower produce seeds which form new plants. And the fifth question, write the names of the tubes that help in transportation. Answer is xylem and phloem. First is xylem, second is phloem. Thank you.